Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Prime Coding. So recently, Accenture has changed their online placement drive, which is the online assessment. That is the very first one that you need to crack. And in the two coding problems, they started asking about DP. Okay, they started asking about graph problem, binary search problem, grids problem, everything. So in this video, I will release a sheet in which each and every types of pattern based question is there, okay, which will definitely help you to crack the new Accenture pattern. And you need to do that, guys. If you have exam down the line with 7 days or 8 days, you need to do this sheet too. Is the worst case, because they are also asking the easy based problems, medium problems as well. They want linear data structures, but start now. Nowadays I'm getting a number of requests from students that, sir, I got the dynamic programming question, I got the graph problem, and today also I uploaded a binary search problem. So you need to do that. So in this sheet we are basically covering whole non-linear stuff. It will definitely help you out. Or if you have not did the Accenture coding sheet which has all the linear data structure question, you should do that today on itself. So now, without wasting time, let's hop to the coding sheet which contains all the non-linear data structure problems. As you can see, most ask DP, graph and grid problems in Accenture. Okay, fantastic. So most repeated dynamic programming question in Accenture. Note, in 2024 only, we also take count of PYQs as well. So you need to see this sheet. It contains all the previous year patterns in this particular question sets, which will definitely help you to understand what type of question that they can ask you in your worst conditions. So yeah, zero knapsack problem contains frequently appear due to its importance in decision based optimizing problem, because these types of problem can be used in real time as well. Okay, now longest increasing subsequence. This pattern you should do, man, because here you can either count the minimum increasing sequence, maximum increasing sequence and much more. So as you can see, this problem is a favorite in coding tests requiring optimization and strong understanding of DP. Now you might say, Aditya, you're just letting us know about the pattern. What about the questions? In this sheet, it also consists of the question, guys. As you can see, unique path, link is there, then number of island question is there. If it is not, link is not attached, then what you can do is you can just copy this word and paste it on the Google. You will get the direct question links. Okay, game of life, rotting oranges, word search, flood field and much more. You can get a number of things here. As you can see, in dynamic programming, you got the all question patterns, question names, which will definitely help you to find these problems. Now you might say, Aditya, where I should get this sheet? Okay, so this sheet you will get on the Telegram group today by 10 or I would say 12 a.m. in the morning, because it takes efforts. Now I guess we need to append the links as well, but not an issue. We will definitely try to upload it before 12 today. So please try to understand whole stuff here. As you can see, cycle detection graph. I would say don't focus on graph much. Whatever topic that I mentioned, only focus that, like a topological sorting, breadth first search and depth first search. Not only this, in trees as well, how you can apply these types of traversals in trees, which will help you to conquer the situations of traversing, finding the shortest path, finding the maximum path and stuff, as well as the edit distance like subset problem, which is also most important in Accenture because it's repeated many times. Guys. If you don't believe me, you can just head over to the GFG articles. You can find these types of questions being asked there. House robber problems, matrix, like this is some high level problem that I would say, but for an understanding, because worst case you don't know what you will get. So if you have time, you can just check that out. And the thing that I want to here add is the grid type questions, because grid type questions is asked in TCS, Accenture, nowadays in Capgemini as well. So you need to focus on grid type problem foremost. Okay, so flood fill algorithm, which is there, how can flood everything, all the given matrix, number of island present, which is also considered as a graph topic, I would say, for unique path and the iteration of unique path, because in unique path 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So try to do the whole patterns of unique path, because this question was repeated in 2024 and also asked in the prime interviews. Okay, so you can expect in your advanced associate software engineer role as well. So minimum path sum, definitely where you got a 2 cross 2 matrix, and you need to find the best route which will take less time and you can reach to the last point of the grid, as well as surrounded region, word search in grid, which is most important, as well as the pattern based on Sudoku solver, which will definitely gonna ask you in your interview if you qualified for. Now, rotten oranges problem, dragon game, trapping rainwater in 2D, guys, not in 1D problem. It's a 2D problem, okay? And for binary search, there are n number of resources present on the websites as well as on the YouTube, which will help you to crack this thing. But the thing is, you should know the underlying principle of binary search, okay? And few questions like rotten tomatoes as well as cocoa eating bananas, because the same cocoa eating bananas came in the assessment, okay, on the 10th of September, if you watch my today video, okay? So you need to do practice these types of binary search problem as well. Now, if you are thinking about your interview preparation, you're not sure about it, so prime coding comes into the picture, because I have a track record of cracking those students who cracked Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, L&T, Mindtree, and much more. Okay, so after getting whole sets of problem from them, getting experience from the internet, continuous assessment, I built a full structure of questions that will be helpful for you to crack your interview opportunity to the offer letter and make your parents proud. I have 100 plus students that I mentored, and from them 99% of success rate we have, so that this experience definitely help you to crack your interviews as well. As you can see, we have what our candidate says, our success stories also implemented here, and you can see the resume review, technical HR, much more for Accenture, Prime, Tech Mahindra, Infosys SP, Capgemini, Cognizant, and the last Mindtree. And if you want to end up having a session with us, you just click on book now. So you are end up getting this form which you need to fill. So you need to select your sessions, which role that you are aiming for, choose your files, be appropriate with the files, because the data has been removed from the database if you're not uploading the appropriate file. So it may be a misunderstanding thing for you as well, because you made payment and you uploaded your sheet, but it is not uploaded rightly. Choose your interview date. If you have, either you can leave this as blank as well. Put your amount just in 2 digits like this, 299. Don't put some rupees or slash ends and stuff. Then save and proceed. You will end up getting a link to a website which will schedule your meeting with us, and I will meet you there, guys, where I will point out your mistakes, your weak points, your hard points, your resume review, your guidance, roadmap, supports, much stuffs in just few bucks. It will get you a return of investment of rupees lakhs. So what are you waiting for? If you have not have confidence on you, do check this video out and do crack your interview opportunities, what you are getting in your future. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.